Hey folks, welcome to MoGraph Plus. This video is a free sample from our course, The Ultimate Introduction to V-Ray for Cinema 4D. It's a massive 13 plus hours course in which we explore all the aspects of V-Ray for Cinema 4D thoroughly. Make sure to check it out, the link is in the description. Also be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos.
Now let's go for a quick concrete shader. I'm going to add a new V-Ray material and assign it. We can set our reflection color to white and enable use roughness. I'm going to add a new V-Ray bitmap node and load this concrete _01_D. And use it as the diffuse color input for the material. For the reflection roughness map, connect the same texture to an invert node. For the same reason that we inverted the parquet roughness texture, we need to invert this map as well and use it as the reflection roughness texture. And for the bump map, connect the original diffuse map to the bump map input of the V-Ray material. And set the bump amount to around 0.15. And that's a simple concrete shader. I didn't use the noise map here for that overall waviness. You can do that as well, but here the surface is rough and that imperfection won't be visible on the surface. So for surfaces like concrete, you really don't need that unevenness. Let me show you a high resolution render of this shader as well.
Make sure to visit our website mographplus.com and check out our premium CGI and rendering courses for Cinema 4D, 3ds Max, Maya, Arnold, Corona, V-Ray, Redshift, and much more. See you in the next one.